So today I'm here with my brother and I'm Ornella. His name is Raggy. Rocco's in the other room playing Nerf. So while Rocco's playing, we're gonna show you the different slimes we have. Okay, we'll show this one first. So this is Rocco's slime.
It's tickled.
Yeah, this is Rocco's slime. He mixed it up with yellow and blue. Put the cover back on, please, my little assistant. Number 2 is going to be this glittery green slime.
It's just mine.
And it's his.
Here, let me help you.
So we got this glittery green slime.
Which is mine.
As you can see, it's so flipping glitter. Okay, so we're going to put that in. Please close it, my little assistant. So we got this.
Show it. Okay, so this is
We
the
got this
dinosaur
egg.
Yeah.
We got it in Toys R Us, but then there was just
I broke it.
So I put my glossy slime in here.
Satisfying.
Satisfying.
Yeah, I know.
Go ahead and tell everybody I'm the man, I'm the man.
Back in here. I hate you. So next we
The
have
fat chubby cheeks.
this red glittery slime. Jackie, can you stop? I'm trying to make a video here. So that was the red glittery slime. I know we already showed it.
Oh.
We have this gooey slime. Oh, that scared me. Don't pick it in front of the camera. This is kid friendly, Raggy. Okay, so I'm gonna show you 10 awesome things you can do with slime. Satisfy yourself when you're sad. So number 2, you can actually sneak it into school if you're sneaky enough. Number 3 is that you can make slime videos all day long. Okay guys, this is only
Guys, here.
for my best friends. I'm joking, it's for everyone around the world. As you can see, I want to subscribe.
Here. If you want to see more videos, comment down below. And
tell us what challenge you want us to do.
either Nerf or
Nerf. I don't have a Nerf gun.
It's okay, you can use ours.
Okay.
Nerf or either slime
Not slime.
or either something else.
Eat it or wear it.
And subscribe to my ugly video.
Bye bye. Can you turn it off? Turn off. Okay, bye bye guys.